Let's see the original state. And yeah, it's fucked up as everything else in this car. You all saw it, the clutch is slipping and it kicks like a fucking horse. So let's fix it today. I'm really fucking sure it shouldn't look like this. And also, I think the additive fluid is pink and not black. Fucking hell, this isn't supposed to be like that. It's still hot? Oh, it's kind of... it's hot as fuck, okay. It should be brownish or at least like pink or something. It's black. It's black. So we are doing Pullman's flush. That means that we are doing 3 flushes or 3 changes with runs in between. Because normal flush, aka cleaning of transmission or cleansing, uses very more... It's easier to fuck up, you know, and it's harder, so I won't do that. And one time change of the fluid I don't think is enough, so really we are doing this and it's clean already, so this is how it should look like. Now I need to somehow figure out how to put this into the hole that is deep down in the engine. Okay, so I found this hose thing right here and I will just connect it and easy. Looks pretty similar, doesn't it? And 100 kilometers later, let's do the second fucking oil change.
Yeah, you can see the difference in the color.
Kurwa.
Channel 9, John Hughes admits killing a truck driver along I-29 in October inside the mind of a serial killer.
I don't think I own people. Never have. Since I was a young and I've been moving. Gotta keep it pushing.
And now let's head to the last fluid change. This will be only half a change because I didn't have enough fluids, but yeah, it doesn't really matter. It will still do the job. I will put in also this additive for 20 euros and let's see if it will work or not.
Okay, so right now it's the next day and I will try to see how it works. I just started it and let's see if it worked. It was 2 ADF fluid changes and we will see. Hopefully it won't do much noise. Let's try. Holy shit. It was kinda rough. Okay. I don't think it helped. Yeah, I feel like first 2 seconds it's rough as fuck. Second to third it's kind of like fine, I think. Yeah, this stuff. Yeah, I think it's a little bit better. It's not like it's not worse, definitely. Let me slow down. I think it's kind of better, but overall it still sucks. Even though I did 2 whole oil changes, it was totally black, so I don't think it was ever changed. There was a lot of metal shavings on the bolts, so I think it's fucked. So okay, yeah, thank you and see you in a moment.